Hello and welcome to another ChatGPT Make Money Online video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make money using ChatGPT to copyright or write SEO optimized articles. So let's ask ChatGPT, how can I use it to write a SEO optimized blog article? As you can see, it will tell you that it's not designed for search engine optimization. So you need to learn the basics of search engine optimizations. Or do you? Because it just is telling us what we need to do in order to write a SEO optimized article. The first step, you will choose a keyword. You know, we are doing this as affiliate marketers. We are writing reviews or whatever. You start with finding a best keyword for your article. So do that first. You can use free tools like hsupertools.com. It can give you free. If you go to SEO keyword research tool, you can enter a keyword here. Money. Press this. I am not a robot. If you press search, you will get keywords. For example, for make money online, you need to find the keywords that are with a big monthly volume, but with low difficulty, and use that keyword to feed ChatGPT and make it write the article for you. For example, if we take make money online Reddit, I can say an outline for the article on make money online on Reddit. So the outline is like a form that your blog article will take. As you can see, it is now writing the outline and it's doing a pretty good job. You need to do some work to make it better and better and better. So how do you make money using this? Basically, when it writes the outline, you can just take the topic and say write more on how to find money making opportunities on Reddit, and the ChatGPT will do its best to find it. You can go to guru.com or fiverr.com or any gig network, and you can see that they are earning a lot of money by copywriting. For example, this guy Philip is making $70,000. I went through this because this guy is earning like over the average, and they are all having like 100% review rate, which is great. As you can see, they are earning pretty nice money using copywriting. So they are more or less writing web content, but more money is if you use ChatGPT to generate copyright. So for example, emails for selling affiliate marketing products, or content for landing pages. Whatever you feed it, it will help you. Let me show you how we can expand now this outline. So if you just remember, he knows what you talked about in the past in this chat session. So if we say explain more on introduction, he will know that he does know. So in the introduction of an article, you might start by explaining why Reddit is what Reddit is, blah, blah, blah. Because I said explain more. So I said explain more on introduction. It gave me what I should explain. But can you write an introduction to the above article? And he will say sure, and he will now write the actual introduction. So if you see how easy it is, you just prompt. If something goes wrong, you can just politely tell him, okay, that's not what I'm looking for, I would like to do that. So the money-making possibilities using copywriting and ChatGPT are enormous. So go subscribe to this channel. I will do these videos every single day. Almost every single day I have shorts, so that's what it counts. And make sure to like this video. It will help me grow on YouTube.